In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent text box in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, mastering this simple yet effective technique can make a big difference in your slides' visual appeal. Let's get started. First, open up Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you'd like to add your transparent text box. If you don't have any presentations open or you need a new slide, create a new presentation by selecting Blank from the Google Slides homepage. Now, with your selected slide open, you'll want to insert a text box. You can do this by clicking Insert from the top menu, then selecting Text Box from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you have your text box on the slide, click to reposition it wherever you like. Now, type your desired text into the box. It's helpful to keep in mind the overall design and focus of your slide while deciding what text to include. Once your text is in place, the next step is to make your text box transparent. To do this, first click the text box to select it. Then, look for the Fill Color icon, which usually looks like a paint bucket, on the toolbar above. Click this icon, and you'll see a color palette. At the top of this palette, there's an option labeled Transparent. Click it. At this stage, your text box will have lost its background fill. This makes your text appear to float on the slide. However, you might still notice a border around your text box. To remove or change the appearance of this border, click on the border color icon, which looks like a pencil or an outline of a square. To make the border disappear entirely, select Transparent from this menu as well. Depending on your design preferences, you might want to leave a slight border or change its color to help the text stand out against your slide's background image or color. If you choose to keep the border, you can further customize it by selecting Border Weight to adjust the thickness or border dash for different styles like dashed or dotted lines. And there you have it, a clear, professional-looking transparent text box in Google Slides. This technique can be particularly useful when you want the focus to remain on an image or a theme while still conveying important textual information. Play around with different fonts, sizes, and colors to see what works best for your presentation's aesthetic. As always, creativity and clarity go hand in hand when designing effective slides. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.